What's up everybody, this is Maddie from Maddie's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing an industrial gumball machine. Stay tuned! So I got our package in today, and this is the industrial gumball machine. I'm going to unbox it and I'll be right back. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and pull it out of the packaging, as you can see here at the top. I'm going to lay it down so you can see a better view of this. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and take the plastic off. And then the keys are around the mechanism here in the middle. Just going to go ahead and take those off. This does dispense 25 cents. You can change it when you order it. Right here is where it's dispense the candy. And at the bottom you can see these holes down here. So if you're interested in purchasing a stand, this is where it'll go. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and open up the top. And here is the lock. Just going to go ahead and push this up. This whole mechanism comes up. And this is where your quarters sit once the quarters has been dispensed. So this little red thing here actually comes up as well. You can change out the mechanism from 25 cents to 50 cents to 75 cents. And here's a little bottom portion. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and put this back together. And then I'll show you about the dispenser at the bottom where you can change it from gumballs to candy. This does hold 375 1-inch gumballs or 10 pounds of candy. As you can see right here, this mechanism, you just change the wheel at the bottom. And to put candy, just pull this off at the top. And right here is your little mechanism. I'm going to show you closer to the bottom where you can actually change those out for allowing 2-inch gumballs, or if you want a little less candy to be dispensed. So this is an overall look of this industrial gumball machine. I'm just going to go ahead and put this back on, and then I will come back once the candy has been placed into this candy machine. And there you have it. The candy has been all dispensed. If this is something you're interested in for your home, business, or office, I will link the details in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.